The inlet and outlet and the bypass valve is all contained into one unit. For bypass, you'll push it in, and for normal operation or soft water operation, it will remain out. It's not in the owner's manual that you can turn these either way, but it is on their website under the FAQs. All the instructions will show it coming up. We want to preserve as much of the original copper as we can. You can turn it upside down. It is bidirectional. The bypass valve will work either way. So we're going to lubricate these O-rings and put them in. There's one other thing you need to watch before you insert this, and that is they've got this little plastic insert in here to protect the vanes. It's a spinning turbine wheel that measures the water flow. That would make sense. Now it falls out. Okay. Very carefully, you want to look up in there, and they want you to make sure that freewheels. So let me get a plastic pick. Turns very easy. So that little turbine spinning wheel spinning, it's on the discharge. It's marked out here. It may not show up in and out. That's got some electronic measurements going on right here. And then that's what does all your calculations on how much water is remaining before it regenerates and all that good stuff. And we're putting our threads on the bottom, so our lines will make a nice U coming up to the supply lines coming into the house. These O-rings have been lubed, and we know our turbine vane is freewheeling. And the O-rings go past this visible port here. It's not really visible port. It's where the black C-clips go. But you're in as far as you can go. This goes on top, then you got one on the 3 and 9 o'clock position. You want to make sure they're in there. And all that does is hold the O-ring part in place and never allows the valve to come out. And we'll take another look at it when we get it installed, and I'll show you the orientation of the shark bite fittings. Those are the 24-inch, 3/4-inch shark bite on one end, and this end is a female arm pipe 1 inch. And here's what I meant was by inverting the bypass valve fittings, we can just come right down and make a nice U and come right back up to the copper supply lines. They do cross because our inlet is on opposite side. Hey, thanks for watching.